missed you.
You missed?
You have your sunglasses on.
I know.
Put me in the other seat.
Put me in the other seat.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Pookie.
What are you doing?
Just got back from work. How was your day?
Good.
Okay, get in the back.
I'm quiet in the car.
Get in the back.
What do you guys remember?
Okay. Get in the back.
Can I have your phone?
No, get in the back.
Come on. Sounds good for Mom's. Hello, bye.
You all right? Okay.
Did you take a digger?
Yeah, she went. Yeah, she hurt. Okay. All right, honey, are you okay? Yeah. Did you hurt your belly? Oh, I'm sorry. Want me to rub it for you? Okay. Where? Oh, by your little thigh right here? Oh, yeah, you took right into the seat. You all right?